Here we are in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, good, 1.2 volts. That's in the wrong place too. 112. Volt drop.
Look at the steam just bellowing out of those fucking stacks, man. So much force behind it. It doesn't even start condensing until about.
Pretty clear coming straight out.
Yep. Propane depot. No smoking.